Welcome to your Kenworth driver training, where we'll take a quick look at the key features and benefits of your brand new K220 Kenworth. Let's learn how to use the new 15-inch digital driver display. The K220 is fitted with a new 15-inch digital driver display. It shows us all the information we will need when driving the truck: speedometer, tachometer, fuel and AdBlue levels, oil and air pressures and temperatures, just to name a few. It also integrates with a smart steering wheel, provides virtual gauges, gives the summary for the pre-start checks from the exterior system light test, and provides an overview of the vehicle performance at the end of the drive. It even has an alarm clock. When the park brake is set, the screen will activate if the doors are opened, the steering wheel switches are used, the brake pedal is tapped, the ignition is turned on, or the vehicle is started. There is a light sensor on the dashboard. To reduce glare, the digital display has an automatic dimming function that will dim the screen automatically when it's nighttime and in low light situations, like tunnels, and will also dim when we are reversing the vehicle. The brightness can be manually adjusted with the dash dimmer switch. There are 4 different screen views that are available, and there is an option to set up your favourites, easily adjusted to suit the driver. There are 2 minimised views, a basic view, and an enhanced view. Views are easily scrolled through with the right-hand scroll wheel, and the favourites page is at the bottom of the list, highlighted by a star rather than the diamond. In the enhanced view, the screen will look like this. In the top bar of the display, we can see the battery status, the clock, auxiliary lamp telltales, any active warnings, outside air temperature, and the diesel particulate filter status, if your truck has a Euro 6 engine. Pop-up warnings will be displayed in this area. The warning colours will vary from white to amber, through to red, being the most important level. If multiple warnings are present, the number of pop-ups will be displayed here. If a pop-up is suppressible, an X will be displayed underneath the scroll wheel icon. When parked, all pop-ups become suppressible, and both the scroll wheel and back cancel button can be used to clear the pop-up. A range of indicators provide a visual relationship with the name of the notification to make it easier and faster to identify a function. These indicators act as telltales and inform the driver when a system is in use, gauge values are out of range, or a malfunction in the system is occurring. Some indicators are above the 15-inch display and include left and right indicators, high beam light, seatbelt warning, and park brake warning indicator. Other indicators have dedicated positions, and some are dynamic. They move to the next available position to give the driver information on the status of that system. There are also display slots available for bodybuilders to use to integrate with the 15-inch digital display, rather than having to add extra lights or gauges to the dash panels. The favourites page is easy to set up and customisable for the driver to select the information they want. For more information, check out kenworth.com.au or visit your local dealership.